Floating balloon science experiment, Sharky Class. Can a balloon really float in the air without anyone holding it? Yes, it can. Today, our amazing baby shark tank from Sharky Class became little scientists during a fun and exciting science experiment. Shamy watched with wide eyes as the balloon magically floated in the air and happily shouted, "Wow, it's flying!" Rubi carefully observed every step of the experiment and eagerly shared her own predictions before the balloon began to float. Masy loved asking questions and discovering how invisible forces can make a balloon move and stay suspended in the air. Lucky couldn't stop smiling while testing the floating balloon and excitedly encouraged friends to explore the scientific mystery together. Why do children love science experiments? Because experiments encourage curiosity, observation, critical thinking, prediction, problem solving, and the confidence to ask why. While discovering how the world works, every surprise inspires imagination, and every experiment turns learning into an unforgettable adventure. At Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, science is always full of laughter, discovery, and hands-on experience.